Hello, I am Amy Brower. I currently work full-time as a cognitive therapist at a residential facility for individuals living with traumatic brain injuries. I don't have too much experience with research other than taking research methods of psychology and statistics courses during my undergraduate studies, but I'm very much looking forward to diving deeper and learning more about the research methods used in this field. I believe that more applicable and relatable areas of studies would make learning about research a lot more fun and interesting. During my undergraduate studies, I used my passion for gardening and nature as the main focus of my final research project. I also believe it would be interesting to conduct research surrounding traumatic brain injuries and substance abuse due to working with a lot of people who have TBIs as a result of drug overdoses. I think the part of this course I'm most nervous about, but also most excited about, is learning more about Excel. I enjoy research and data when I feel confident in understanding how to analyze and evaluate it properly. Numbers do intimidate me, but I feel this course will allow me to see research and statistics in a whole new light. I look forward to working with all of you, and thank you for listening.